Hey, I'm Tyler Lemmond, and welcome back to another Network Plus CertMaster Labs from CompTIA. We are doing lab number 2.8, Connect Fiber Optic Cables. You work as an IT administrator for a growing corporate network. You are in the process of creating an iSCSI storage area network, or SAN, on the corporate iSCSI server. If you don't know what that is, that's just Internet Small Computer System Interface. The server is currently connected to the network using an Ethernet cable. To increase the server's performance, you have decided to replace the existing Ethernet connection with a fiber optic connection. So your task in this lab is to connect the corporate iSCSI server to the Cisco switch using the appropriate fiber cables. To help determine which cable is used, examine the port on the Cisco switch front side of the server's fiber optic network cards on the back side. So that means that we're going to look at the switch on the front, and then the server, we're going to look at its network card. When connecting the server, use the color coordinating fiber optic cables, which we already know, we've been doing that for a while. Connector A is red TX, connector B is black RX. Remove the server's previous Ethernet cable, so we're going to actually plug in the fiber and then unplug the Ethernet. Verify that the server is connected to the network. Okay, when connecting fiber optic cables, the TX port on the device is connected to the RX port on the other device, because this one's talking and this one's receiving. The fiber cables in this lab have already had their RX and TX connectors switched as necessary, so it's already done for us. Now, this one's a little different because we haven't really connected to a SANs or a NAS or any type of server yet. So this is the first time that we're going to be doing this. So what we need to do is we need to identify it. It's going to be this one right here, the biggest one. And we can see that right down here. Let's inspect the back side and see what it is. Let's look here. This is the network card. That's where we're going to be plugging things in. Let's click on it. And as we see it, we see Fiber ST. So let's go to our cables. We have our Fiber ST, and I'm going to go a limb here and say it's probably going to connect to a LC connector, and that's exactly correct. So we want this cable right here. So let's go ahead and we'll plug it in, LC to LC. There we go. Let's go to the back, and let's connect the A to the TX. Ooh, man, that lagged. Okay, let's connect the B to the RX. And then let's go right here. This is our current Ethernet connection. This is what's connecting the server to the internet. So let's unplug that because we don't need it anymore because we just plugged in the fiber. And let's figure out where we are. Which one is it? There it is. Okay, let's unplug that one. Let's put that off to the side. Excellent. So we removed the previous Ethernet, did that. Let's verify that the server is connected. So let's zoom out. Let's click on this one, and we're connected. Let's check it out. Did we miss anything? Of course not. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, please smash that like button, hit subscribe so that way you don't miss out on further content. And remember, work with what you got, build what you need, and I'll catch you in the next one.